Welcome back. This is the Train Expert channel. And we're on this Monday, December 19th, 2022. We're just letting the train viewers know we don't have any Western New York trains after we did 3 trains last week over there. We're just getting ready to leave Meadville right now, but still got that yeah, we still got a recliner over there right now. So again, we're just letting my train viewers know that we're not going to get no Western New Yorks today, in addition to the no OC&T trains. I knew there was no OC&Ts today either. Must be the locals or might be off. Might be off today. We found the box cars, and they're not at the OC&T. They're actually over at the Western New York. Yep, they're over at the Western New Yorks in Meadville. So we're going to remind everyone again to subscribe, if you haven't already, to Jeffrey the Train Experts on YouTube, as well as Jeffrey's regular channel page, as we're hearing the beeping noises in the SUV. We got over almost 1,500 videos of trains and trainless videos. This is my third consecutive trainless video after we did the CSX event on Tuesday. I can't believe there's no OC&Ts, no Western New Yorks or anything, but we got it late. But that's something we don't see that often. I know. So this is probably, we're going to close here at the OC&T coming up in just a bit. I was saying the last video, I don't have any premieres until tomorrow on the regular channel page to honor about the Santa Claus parade. Yeah, we're just leaving Meadville. We're just leaving inside Meadville. We're just out of Meadville right now. Just getting ready to head back to Titusville, see if there's any more OC&T trains. If not, if we take one more look and see if they're doing anything. If not, we're just gonna close up in town just to be done for today for the Train Expert channel. What color were the box cars in the OC&T? Are they, when they picked up from the OC&T, was it brown? It was green. It was green. They took so many box cars to the OC&T, and then they got the last remaining box cars that's left at the Oil Creek Railroad, and they're most not going to see, I don't think we're not going to see anything here. Yeah, this is 3 consecutive train list videos, right? This is 3 consecutive train list videos. Yeah, we had one Thursday, because we were off that day for the train channel due to her meeting and the weather, and then today we started at the OC&T tracks, and there was nothing there. But we got at least seeing a few semi-trucks and a garbage truck at the least over by the Meadville Shades. And we got at least going to Walmart, do some last minute Christmas shopping. And I ended the last video around 15 minutes. If we don't hear anything from the OC&T, well, we're gonna be, I haven't had my lunch yet. I'm gonna have it here when especially on the way to Titusville, but still. Yeah, there's a lot of train at in the Western New York. They had tankers, grain hoppers, a coal hopper, and then I think there's a coil car on a flat car, on a gondola. Haven't seen one of them before. And we also got, and a couple of box cars from the Oil Creek Railroad, and that was it. So, did you say there's no OC&Ts too? Yeah, there's no OC&Ts or Western New Yorks today. We're gonna close, as I said, when we get to Titusville. There's a WM right there. No, not the garbage truck, just the dumpsters, the WM. There's a couple houses there, has WM of commercial WM it is. So it's just a little bit here. We're going to get off and we'll see if we hear anything, see if the vehicles are there for the OC&T. If not, we're going to close up for today. like I said, we'll do the closing video when we get to Titusville. I'm mentioning on my last video that the B&H Productions got a bigger freight train there too, even the tanker train there with 3. I thought it was 2 engines, but I thought there was 3, or I thought it was 3 engines, but I thought there was two engines going forward, but and so, and then we went to the Bumpy's it is. Yeah, we went to the we had a couple rail fenders yesterday. Was part of the live chat. It was B&H and it's I had 2 premieres of our own yesterday. We had to honor my last holiday, Thanksgiving, and a closing video after we did a bunch of trains. Alright, I think we're heading back to Titusville. See if we'll take one more peek at the OC&T. If we hear anything here, we'll get back on. If not, we'll be on in a little bit to close up for today here on the Train Expert channel. Again, remind everyone one more time, subscribe to Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube and to Jeffrey's regular channel pages as well. We're going to be doing some truck videos coming up in a short while here on the regular channel page. I got a SETI truck. I got the SETI dump truck on there, and then I got a milk truck. It's upstate milk truck, and then I got a Walmart truck. We'll have that here coming up, and I got a couple truck videos I gotta do when we went out with Ashley coming up here on the Train Expert channel. One video was on early, but everything else is gonna be on later. So, alright, we're gonna get off and we'll see if we hear anything. See if the vehicles are back from the OC&T. As soon as we hear anything from the OC&T, we'll get back on. If not, we'll be on later to close it out. Talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Jeffrey the Train Expert live train list video for the 2nd straight video. Live 2nd consecutive train list video on YouTube. And we'll talk to you guys if we hear anything. If not, we'll be on in a bit to close it out. Talk to you later.